We're staying here at the Sol Guadalmar Hotel. As you can see, it is out of season,
It's very windy.
so hopefully you can hear us. We're going to show you around the hotel, then we're going to show you our room, which is a sea view room, and then we'll give you our thoughts.
We're Angela and Alan. We took time out to travel around the world with no plan and a small budget. We may be middle-aged, but that doesn't mean that we're past it. So join us as we enjoy life to the fullest. If we can, you can too.
It's out of season, so there's not a lot of people in the hotel, which is good and bad. The hotel itself is fairly nice.
Yeah.
Obviously the pool, the outdoor pool is out of action. The restaurant is a buffet type restaurant. I would probably say it's a bit overpriced. It was €22 each for a buffet, and we didn't know that we just went in and got something to eat because it was the only place available.
Yeah. €14 for breakfast.
€14 each for breakfast, but we didn't go for that either.
Plus points of the hotel?
It's well situated in terms of the beach. You can walk out the back of the hotel and you can walk or run along the promenade.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, nice area. Seems to be fairly residential, very close to the airport.
Yep.
Yeah, it seems to be well managed. It's clean, adequate sized room. I don't go for sort of luxury places as long as it's clean and it's tidy and it's roomy and it's relatively cheap and it's got a bed.
You're happy?
I'm happy.
Okay, so I'll do the negatives.
Okay.
As Alan said, it's close to the airport. It's actually on the flight path. So if you've got a light sleeper, they're going to hear the planes flying over. The buffet dinner, we anticipated going out to a beach bar, restaurant, something of that kind, and having dinner out. So we left at about 7:30, got back here about 8 o'clock for dinner because we couldn't find anywhere else to eat. It's the end of service. It was like the last hour or a half hour of service. So everything that was out had been out and left under heat lamps for...
It was okay.
It was okay. I mean,
But
it was edible. There was nothing wrong with it, but
not.
it wasn't great food. Thinking about the room itself, it's a bit tired. So there's scrape marks and dirty marks around the room. So it needs a bit of a decorate, but nothing wrong with it. Nice and clean,
I mean,
certainly comfortable.
I mean, maybe a few bits of paint chipped here and there, but it's fine. And
Yeah, clean, acceptable.
I would say it's well located if you're a runner or a cyclist. I went out for a run earlier and yesterday, and there's a path that goes for miles and miles and miles, and loads of cyclists, loads of runners along the beach. So that was a plus for me.
8 kilometres to Malaga, to the city centre.
I didn't run there.
No. It's 10 kilometres to Torremolinos. And as Alan said, we're on the edge of an urbanisation. So there's a couple of restaurants. There's a mini market. There's a kebab shop.
Possibly, we didn't see it.
If you've got a car, it's a brilliant location because it's near to all the main roads to all of the towns along the Costa del Sol.
And you have to pay.
You have to pay
parking.
to park here €12 a day.
Yeah, €12 a day.
However,
although we did notice just across the road there's a lot of camper vans parking in a seemingly free, big, open bit of land. And there were some cars parked up as well.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully that information has been useful to you. If you've got this far, you're either one of our followers who has subscribed to our channel. Thank you very much for that. Or you're somebody that's looking to come to this hotel. So would you come to this hotel again?
I would. There's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah.
If you're after luxury, great food, then that's debatable.
Yeah.
But perfectly fine as far as I'm concerned.
Okay. So if you've got this far and you're not one of our subscribers, could we ask you a favour? Could you please click that little subscribe button? It takes a fraction of a second for you, but it makes a vast difference to us. We'd really appreciate it.